because they're going to be going right in. You know, there's going to be 4 inches of soil on top of the cardboard. So they'll just grow right into that, and that cardboard by springtime is going to be nice and soft and break down and help build that soil, and the roots will be fine. There's all the raspberries and blueberries. And then we got to move a huge pile of soil and a huge pile of mulch back here, and everything is back here. So at least we got that accomplished today. What time is it? Oh, I got to get on my Zoom call here in a few. Yeah, I got to get in 5 minutes. I got a Zoom call with all my partners in Food Forest Abundance. I'm hoping we got our investor today. Trying to get a $50 million investment, and it's getting close, so I'm hoping it happens. Anyway, that's that today. I will make more videos here in a little while once I start digging my holes, but I'm going to get everything strung, get my strings run, and make sure everything's straight. And then we're going to get these corner posts dug. And yeah, man, I can't wait. This will be a very quick job, and then I'm going to do another quick job in Bloomington next week. Try to get that one in the ground before the ground freezes. I think we got 1 more week. So the final design should be done on Wednesday. Hopefully get an approval on it, and I can get the estimate done by Friday, and get an approval on that by Friday, and then start getting all the materials to get it done on Monday and have it done by the end of the week. This is going to be a 2-phase job that we're going to be doing in Bloomington. Same here. We're coming back in the spring to finish this. Got to put a pergola trellis up for the goji berries. But that's it for me for a little bit. I'll be back when I get this fence closer to be put in the ground. Have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not lawns.